So I was introduced to the Kado ecosystem while I was looking for ways to easily get my money into the Anchor protocol. The biggest problem right now with crypto is that it's very hard to use your assets in the real world. If we're talking about the metaverse here and buying digital goods using your tokens, that's a bit simpler to explain and understand. I had a haircut a couple of weeks ago and the stylist brought up crypto as the topic. I'm young, so she thought that I probably knew more about the topic, and well, here I am. She was very educated and very open-minded to the topic, and we got to the concern that a lot of people have about crypto. How can we use the asset or cryptocurrency in general in real life? While I did my spiel about how crypto is translating to goods and services in the digital world, we found ourselves at an impasse on how to really explain crypto in the physical world. If people don't believe that there is any utility to a medium that they're using, no one is going to use that at all. And right now, crypto, for all its awesomeness, still lacks in that department. Right now, I can't pay my student loans or bills with Bitcoin or Tether. I make the money in one currency, but I have to pay in another. There is that disconnect with crypto and the real world at the moment. And that is where Kado comes in. It's a bridge between the crypto world and the real world. You can swap your fiat currency to a crypto stablecoin in just minutes, and then you can use that asset for whatever purposes you have. So with that, what is Kado? In simpler terms, it's a bridge. Kado makes it possible for users to use their crypto assets without having to use their fiat again. According to their light paper, Kado is building towards the mission of being able to live within the crypto ecosystem without ever having to leave. Basically, you can use stablecoins for real-world goods and services, and stablecoins are the preferred method or the preferred asset within the crypto space due to its lack of volatility and instant transferability. So the question now is, what problem does Kado solve? So let me just get straight to the point here. It's utility. More specifically, utility for stablecoins. While many crypto enthusiasts praise the idea that crypto is going to solve a lot of the financial problems we're facing now, ideas don't usually translate fast enough in the real world. We are getting there, don't get me wrong, but the majority of crypto assets don't have use besides speculation and store of value. Its true use and power haven't been explored yet and utilized by the very people crypto was meant for. You can be making money from crypto, but you still have to put that money back into fiat so that you can pay for your bills, your food, your rent, etc. Right now, it's still hard to pay for things in the real world using crypto. But what about people, merchants, and countries that accept Bitcoin and Ethereum as payment methods? Well, it's a good step. Those assets are not ideal for everyday transactions. Bitcoin is still slow and Ethereum is notorious for its high GUI fees. Merchants today who do not use stablecoins are left to use credit card payment methods that take out 1.5 to 3.5% in processing fees. Plus, funds do not settle quick enough into a merchant's account so that it can be used in their business. And so these are just some of the things that Kado is aiming to solve with their products and services. So now let's talk about what are some of Kado's products and services. So the first one that we have here is called Kado Ramp. This is the service that I am more familiar with because I had experience with it. The big challenge is consumers have a hard time getting into crypto because of its utility issues. Ramp is basically onboarding fiat users into the crypto space. It's the first step. With Ramp, it's easier to get your fiat swap with a stablecoin, mainly UST, that you can use for projects within the Terra network. Or you can also use that UST to do some shopping with Kado Pay. So speaking of Kado Pay, this is the second product that they have. It's basically Kado's version of PayPal or Venmo. It's a payment processor that bridges crypto users with real-world merchants like Amazon and Walmart. They have an e-commerce platform where you can shop online normally, pay with your UST from your wallet, and then that product gets delivered to you. Personally, I have not used this yet since I have nothing to buy in their website, but if I have something in mind, this is going to be the first thing that I will do. One cool thing that I saw in their website though is this thing called the tier access feature. I had not found a project before that offered subscription-based services. This tier access feature provides better shopping experience with discounts and no shipping fees, just like Amazon Prime. Subscribers can also earn referral rewards, which to be honest, I have no clue at all since they haven't added any details to it yet. But if I'm guessing here, this basically gamifies the shopping experience for users. And if you also want to know, the tier access feature is powered by the Sub-Era and Valkyrie protocols. I've also got myself waitlisted with their Kado card. Now, there are no details about this card yet, except that the Kado card will open new possibilities for for easier UST spending and savings. This is what their website says. So if you really think about it, this is pretty much the same debit card that a lot of crypto firms are offering to users, just so that it's a lot easier for you to use your crypto in the real world. So I did that since there's nothing wrong with getting myself a spot, right? Anyway, let's move on to the very last product they have, and it's called Kado Save. One project that really stands out in the Terra ecosystem or network is called the Anchor Protocol. It's pretty much the go-to savings protocol for a lot of users looking for a low-risk, high-yield, passive income stream. According to Kado, they are building a direct fiat integration into Terra and stablecoins, effectively allowing merchants and consumers to gain benefit from the Anchor protocol. To be honest, I don't really know what that meant because they haven't really offered any extra details about it. In their main website, Kado Save earns you interest on your stablecoins with multi-chain support. We don't really know what that looks like yet, but what I am guessing is that it looks like Anchor protocol but lists a lot of different stablecoins in which you can earn passive income from. So we'll just have to see what this product is going to be like in the future. So what are my thoughts on Kado? I believe that Kado is going to be a big step towards mass adoption for crypto, if not at least one of the steps. If there is more proof of utility from this platform, it's more than likely that a lot of Terra projects will get involved as well. I was very relieved when I found Kado for my Anchor protocol use because it literally saved me so much time. Getting UST to my Terra wallet was so fast and easy that it's worth mentioning that people should start using this as a main method of getting UST. Kado has big plans for 2022, and what I'm really looking forward to is their reseller merchant onboarding push. Basically, resellers can get into their ecom platform, sell their products, and get paid in crypto. This is equivalent to being an Amazon seller. Right now, we go to Amazon as merchants, but Kado could be a big instrument in creating a crypto-focused merchant network. One thing that I can think about Kado though is that it's easy to get into crypto, but there's just no way to get back to fiat. It's basically a one-way door. At the moment, the world still relies on fiat, so an option to be able to get back to fiat could make it more acceptable for a lot of users. I and many in the crypto space probably understand what Kado is trying to do, but not everyone gets it right away. Consumers right now cannot make the connection of using digital assets to pay for real-world goods and services. That is basically just something that you need to consider if you're trying to use Kado's ecosystem. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so obviously do your own research. But personally, I cannot find any other issues with them, so I can't find anything to comment about. Overall, I really like Kado, and I am going to continue using their products and services in the future. That is all I got for you today. I hope your question to what is Kado was answered in this video. Just a quick question for everybody. What do you think about Kado right now? Are you going to use it? If you use Kado Ramp, are you going to start using that one to get your UST? Or how about Kado Pay? What are your thoughts about it? Let me know in the comments below. If you want to try Kado or check them out, link is in the description below. And if you like content just like this one, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and also share this video. And if you are on Instagram, please add me there at DailyDread as a friend so that we can chat, collaborate, and maybe even exchange some ideas. Thank you so much for watching this entire video. Have an awesome and wonderful day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!